Alright, welcome back to the workshop. So this is the next project we're going to make this week. It's a flip top toolbox. The top lid will flip down and complete the box, so you have a way to bring your tools to the whatever site you need to work on. The one we're going to be making is going to be slightly smaller. It's going to have the same functionality. We will be using the box jig that we made last week, so we're going to be able to make the whole box frame out of the box jig. And if you're interested in making this project, leave a comment below and give the video a like, and maybe I can get some plans together and post it online. All right, let's get started. Okay, here I got the linkages for the flip top toolbox. Decided to go with a different type of wood. This is a sapele mahogany used in the library, so I have some left over there. And then I have just a regular dowel rod. I guess it's pine. It's 1 1/4. So these are going to be the handles right here that attach to the side of the container. And then here's linkages on one of the sides. I'm going to sand them down still. They'll go attached to the side and they'll be able to flip the top of the container around wherever it needs to go. Alright, so I'm just going to sand these and then mark where I need to drill the holes, and we're going to keep moving. To get these holes exactly where I need them, I'm going to be using a hole punch, which will center the hole and not let the drill bit drift on me. I noticed I made the linkages just a little bit too wide, so I'm going to use the number 4 Stanley plane to plane them down to the right size. spacer for each of the linkages, and now I'm just going to give them one final sanding before I put the whole thing together. Alright, so we just finished up the flip top toolbox here. So the same process I used to make this smaller one, made my larger one here. The last step I'm going to have for this is put on a coat of shellac, amber shellac. I'm not going to put anything on the inside of this box because it is a gift for a friend, and he can put whatever he wants on the inside. But if you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you want to see more projects coming up in the week, hit that subscribe button.